can find God. Jesus said, I am the way, life and truth. Why He is the way? Why Jesus is the way? Because He broke the barrier between man and God. The barrier between man and God is Satan. But the Bible says Jesus has broken down the wall between man and God. By His death and resurrection. So maybe He broke the wall between man and God. He made the way to get God. Today the way is open. Who anyone call on Christ shall be saved. The Bible says life and death in your mouth. Anyone believes on Christ and call on God shall be saved. So my brothers and sisters, you may be a Hindu, Christian, even Christian. Unless and you will come to Christ and be washed from your sin, you will never find God. You may be going to church, but just going to church doesn't make the Christian. You must meet Christ in your personal life. You must come to Jesus. Suppose you go to hospital, but you look at the hospital, come home, you will have problem. But you must meet the doctors. Then you will have healing. Same way, unless you change and talk to Jesus, unless you meet Christ in your personal life, you remain dead. So my brothers and sisters, I was born in Christian family. I claimed I was a Christian, but I didn't know Christ. I went to church, but I didn't know anything about Christ. But my life was sinful life. I was with devil. I committed all sort of evil. But there was a time. There was a problem in my body. I went to many doctors, but no healing. I was left alone. Some people told me, Christian people told me, Jesus will heal your problem. I was a Christian, but I didn't know Jesus would heal me. I didn't know Jesus could heal me. But I prayed, Jesus completely healed me. Come, no doctors could heal me, but Jesus healed me completely. My brother, I was delivered completely. I understood Jesus is true. That night I knelt down. I cried, Father, forgive me. Jesus, forgive me. Every night I cried. One day I met Christ. I one day met Christ. The Spirit of the Lord, the Holy Ghost came upon me. Because tremble is inside. So Jesus come in me. Jesus, Holy Ghost spoke to me. Confess all your sin. I heard. Jesus told me, confess all your sin. My brother said, for 2 hours I was crying, Father, forgive me. For forgive me, I will change. Because Jesus was slain on the cross for all sinners. He will